everyone, I bring to you Siege Clean, an Amazon product. Though it's not sponsored, but I've been using this product for the last 3 years to help me maintain and keep my stainless steel cookware shiny and from discoloration, just like it was when I got it from the box. If you like to see, keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to Luxe Mum TV. If you are new here, please guys consider subscribing. Hit on the subscribe button, okay, and also turn on your bell notification. That will let you know anytime I upload a new video. And if you're my returning subscriber, my fellow content creator, thank you for your support, thank you for the love, thank you for leaving the beautiful comment, and also for your support. I really do appreciate it. So guys, let's go into today's video. This is the product I was telling you about. It's called Siege Clean and you can find it on Amazon. Okay, so this is the powder one, and it's good for stainless steel and aluminum pots. Okay, and I also have the liquid one here, and this one is to help you polish your copper pots. Okay, so you all know stainless steel cookware is the best cookware out there in the market to cook your meals, and you have to get the one that says 18/10. Okay, so that's the best cookware. It will not put harmful chemicals in your food. Okay, so to keep your pots and pans shiny from discoloration, just like you first got it, I recommend this Siege Clean. I've used every other product, but it doesn't work that good for me until I started using Siege Clean. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna show you how I use it. Okay, so let's go now and do that. So over here I have some dirty pans that I use to cook. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you how I clean them out right now using the Siege Clean. Okay, so I'm over here at my sink now. So first of all, I'm just gonna clean this out completely. So I'll go in with my soap first of all, just to clean everything out. So give it a rinse. So guys, like you can see, just soap and sponge will not clean it out. There are food particles all around. There are discoloration here and there, so it will not clean it out. So if you want your pots to have that mirror effect, looking clean and shiny, then you need the Siege Clean. So I'm going to bring the Siege Clean now. This one says for stainless steel and aluminum. Okay, and it's a powder. Okay, so the powder is in now, so you can get like a scrubbing sponge. Okay, then you go in with that powder and give it a thorough scrub. can also use it at the behind the back of the pot as well. Okay. So go into every corners, even the handles of the pot. So I'm going to take some more now and put at the bottom of the pot. You know, that place is the where you put on the stove. Okay, give it a thorough scrub. Then now we're gonna rinse. Make sure you rinse with warm water. So guys, you can see the pot is thoroughly clean now. All the discoloration is gone. All the food residue that didn't want to come off, they are all gone. So look at the bottom. The bottom is completely clean. Okay, so if you are interested in getting aluminium pans, always go for the one that says 18/10 stainless steel. Okay, so those are the best quality grades for aluminium pans. Okay, so I will advise, if you want to leave your pot shining, you wipe it off immediately. Okay, so right now I'm just going to wipe it off, wipe all the water off. Okay, so you get a clean napkin like so and you wipe off. Okay, you wipe off inside and outside. So if you allow it to dry on its own, it might leave some watermarks on your pot, and you don't want those watermarks on your pots. Okay, so please excuse my daughter's noise. Okay, she decided to blow her trumpet right now. So you can see how shiny the pot is. Can see how shiny the pot is. See inside, shining and clean. So this is how to maintain your stainless steel pot, guys. If you have stainless steel, look for stainless steel cleaner. I will recommend this Siege Clean. This Siege Clean is a very good quality. I've been using it now for the longest time. Okay, and after you finish, just wipe it with a napkin, wipe it clean, and your pots will be sparkling. Your pots will be clean. And you know how stainless steel lasts forever, right? So you can have this pot forever as long as you do this. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Okay, also share my videos with your friends. Share, and invite all your friends to Luxe Mum TV. So till I see you next time, thank you for watching, guys. Bye.